In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your security questions on Fiverr. Let's get started. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Fiverr account. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead, give that a click, and from the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. With Account Settings open, you'll notice there's a sidebar menu on the left. Here, you'll want to look for the option labeled Security. Click on that to move forward. Now in the security section, you have a few options to explore. Your focus should be on the section labeled Security Question. This is the part where you can make changes to your current security question. When you're ready, find the Edit option associated with your security question. Click on it and Fiverr will show you your current security question. Before you can change it, you'll need to type in the answer to this existing question. It's a security measure that ensures only authorized changes are made to your account. Once you've entered the correct answer, you're free to choose a new security question. You'll see a list with several options. Pick the one that suits you best. After choosing, type in the answer to your new security question. Make sure it's something memorable yet secure. After all, this question serves as a backup way to verify your identity. When everything is filled out and you feel confident in your selection, go ahead and click on Submit. That will finalize the change. And just like that, you've successfully updated your security question on Fiverr. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our Fiverr tutorials. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore our other instructional videos for more tips and tricks.